Hi, my name is Amir Ali, and for the assignment one, I have selected the subject for the outsourcing. Uh, uh, so let's begin with my presentation. So the outsourcing is basically it's very benefit for the new era of the business. With the outsourcing, the business can reduce their cost on any of the project, which is basically where they can take the benefit from the outsourcing. The challenges with the outsourcing is basically with the communication, the knowledge sharing, documentation, and also with the quality control. Uh, so basically, one of the key factor in the project manager is to basically fulfill all those challenges, like that they get the proper documentation. The project which has been delivered, it is basically measured as per the company needs, and also being knowledge being shared accordingly to the business. So let's go through, let's start with what is the role of the project management and how it has been, they can work on the outsource. Now, a lot of businesses, they are using the project managers on their on lot of businesses like the construction side, finance side, mostly in the information technology side, and also based on their skills and tools that they use it. So basically it helped the business to fulfill what the for their projects, which has been either for the upgrade or either it's a new project, and also for the good quality of work as well. What is outsourcing? Outsourcing is basically where the company use the tech to be used from the other side of the country to fulfill their task. It's basically help to reduce their price, and also the business can focus on their business function as well. And the outsourcing can be used for either for the software development, for the customer service, IT support. Nowadays bookkeeping is also being used as a outsourcing as well. So there are all other tasks been going through the outsourcing, and where the virtualization come in. Advantages of the outsourcing. So basically, it's cost saving, because if you're hiring the developer, which is from the another side of the country, and their exchange rate basically based on is very cheaper. So that way that they can hire the developers or any other resources, so they can use it for their business. It's very flexible, and they do the efficiency of the work, access to the global talent as well, and use the advanced technology. Like nowadays, it's the AI automation. Disadvantages of the challenges that faced on the outsourcing. So it's basically the lack of project management. Management is very crucial over there. That means that it is very hard to work with the people which is having the time difference, and it's very hard to basically to manage those people, that how it has been work. And also it is very hard to monitor the system as well, and the negotiation challenge with them as well, as per the cost basis. Let's start with the communication barrier. Communication, the communication barrier is basically kind of a time zone difference, then also with their culture and language difference, the technology barrier as well, physical environment barrier as well, organization hierarchy, is also one of the challenges as well. The information overload. So means that one of the we start with the time zone. If we are on the northern American side, and if we hire the developer from the Asia, India, Pakistan, or Bangladesh somewhere, so we have a time difference of 24 hours. They are ahead, 24 hours ahead. So basically if we have a day's time, so they will going to have a night time. So it's very hard to be communicate with the person while they are off of their job, of their work hours. Also with the language, basically the English is not their first language, so it's very hard to communicate. Sometimes it's miscommunication. It is hard to understand what they are trying to say. It's hard to understand what we are trying to say. So it's take a time consuming to give them that what our needs are. Sometimes it's very hard to communicate with the poor audio and video communication as well. Sometimes we there is a problem that they are having a background noise, and it's very hard to hear what they are trying to say. So these are the challenges that we it's on the communication barrier side. What would be the solution for that one? So we come when we started the project, so basically we have to tell them that we have a time reference. So we have to work on one particular time that we can discuss our project, we can know our what the project length is, what is the status of our project, and how it will going to be delivered, and it is going to be delivered on the time, what is the right now the status of the project. We can also try to use the easy English language to communicate with them and ask them that if they understand our point of contact, that what we are trying to reach with the goal for our project also as well. For the IT side, we have to be basically hold one of our IT support and also ask them to hold their IT support if there is uh, any technical side issues has been there. We also use the noise cancellation, so we avoid the background noise from both the ends basically. So these are the things that we can solve from the communication side. Another key aspect on the outsourcing is the risk and the quality management. One is the financial risk. So basically, we have the project manager supposed to be always try to be lock on his side that they never ask for the more money. When the project is started, the project management asks with them that this is the budget that we will going to work on it, and this budget will never going to be over budgeted over here. So we have to basically work with them. Also we have to check the fluctuation rate for the exchange rate as well. The another one is the quality risk. The quality risk, the deadline of the project. So are they giving the particular modules on time or not? All those modules has been given on time or not? If the module has been given, it is fulfilling the company uh, company uh, 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 company method as well or not. And then the another risk is the security, because if the outsource they are using our data, the data supposed to be does not have the member data on it. It has to be the data supposed to be very the sensitive data supposed not to be given to the outsource. So there should be no data breaches over there. Another one is the sometimes with the misalignment of the weather to organize the goal as well. So these are the things that we have to. These are the risks that on the outsourcing side. So on my essay, on my literature paper, I have used one of the ERP project that I have worked for one of the companies that where we have deployed the one of the third party ERP application, and the business need to do more customization on that one. So the prop challenges, the time zone, because we hired the developer from the India, and uh, that developer and also when there is a time difference, so it's very hard to communicate that what is the project status that they are on. Is the project been given on, is the project is basically doing the timeline, the communication barrier as well. Basically, when we do the communicate with the outsourced team members, that what we are trying to communicate, has they been understood what the business is asking for. Same with the technical issues as well, and the code quality, that whatever the code they are designing, are that the business standards codes. So those are the things that I have been challenged on that ERP project. So what I did to solve that problem, first I built the communication with the outsourced team lead, that we will going to be come with the mutual understanding that we will going to be arrange a meeting during the time that it will going to suits you and me as well. So I understand that what the project right now, and the project timeline is what we have expected and what we have given to you. Second thing, when the project has been completed, the knowledge transfer and training has been provided to my tech and the business person who will going to use this project. The code, whatever they has been done, that they has been written, it is basically the business standards, and we get, and all the documentation that I have asked for, it has been there to understand if somebody, and sometimes